Go to check in on the local market now with business reporter Edward Boyd. Ed, how are we looking this morning?
Tom, Aussie shares have opened slightly lower this morning. They're down about 0.1% in early trade, and that's just due to global fears of the coronavirus still spooking investors a little bit. Overnight, we saw markets in Europe and the United States fall. US markets fell after the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell actually spoke about the coronavirus and the threat it may pose to the global economy. This is what he had to say.
There is likely to be some disruption to activity in China and possibly globally based on the spread of the virus to date and the travel restrictions and business closures that have already been imposed. Of course, the situation is really in its early stages, and it's very uncertain about how far it will spread.
Mr. Powell was speaking after announcing the US Federal Reserve would keep interest rates on hold, which was a widely anticipated decision. On the local markets today, iron ore miner Fortescue Metals has just reported its quarterly production figures and announced it was 9% shipments were stronger than the quarter before. Its quarter's iron ore quarter rose 58%. Iron ore price rose 58% to $76 per dry metric tonne, which is a pretty good result for Fortescue Metals. And also today, Commonwealth Bank has announced the Swedish buy now pay later firm, which will compete with Afterpay, it's called Klarna, is now available in the Commonwealth Bank app for users. CBA's invested $300 million in Klarna and has raised its stake to 5.5%. Tom?
Ed Boyd, thank you.